Hey makers, this is Yana with Mockys. Today I'm going to show you how to create a pretty balloon cake topper using scrapbook paper. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more helpful tutorials for making cake toppers. Also, be sure to get your freebies from the link below. Okay, well, let's get started. Okay, so here we are in Cricut Design Space. Let's go ahead and upload the project. You're going to be using the 3D shapes found in my shop. Here we have all the shapes. What you need to do first is ungroup and just select the shapes that you don't need so you can delete them. Now we have only the balloon shape left, and that's what we want to use. In my project, I decided that I'm going to use only 2 layers for the balloon, so I don't need all these individual layers. So let's first ungroup and only keep the top 2 layers because this is the top layer that shows the perfect balloon shape. So the last bottom 2 we don't need and we can delete for this particular project. But it's up to you. If you want to keep all layers, you're welcome to do that. So I'm going to select on the layers panel this layer, and I'm going to hold shift and I'm going to select the next one up. Not sure why it's moving like this, but let's do that. So we have the 2 layers selected and now delete. Now we're left with the topmost layers that show the balloon shape and the outset that comes right after it. Again, select both of these. You can group them. And then let's do a width of, let's say 5 inches. So now that we have our balloon shape, now all we do for this part is we have to cut it out. But also I would like to include a happy birthday on top of this balloon. So all I'm gonna do is import a happy birthday, again found in my shop, and I'm gonna put it together with this project. Let's go ahead and find the file, and let's bring the file in. Save it, select it, and insert the image. Let's make it a little bit smaller so we can see them all. Again, this file comes with many beautiful options, but we're going to use just the one that says happy birthday, the one that's down below. Let's ungroup and delete everything that we don't need. So this is the one that we want. And we're going to place it over the balloon just to see the size that we want to use. I think this size is pretty good. It's 6 inches wide and fits perfectly over the balloon. At this point, all you have to do is hit make it and cut this project out. This is the scrapbook paper that I'm using. Obviously you can get any one you like, but this is really party theme, different accents, really pretty paper. Now that we cut everything out, let's go ahead and assemble it. The assembly part is very simple for this cake topper. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our foam squares and we're gonna add a little bit dimension to these balloons. So you can align just to make sure to see how it goes, and put some foam squares on the back. I'm not putting foam squares over here so we can have some room for the cake stick to go to. Let's go ahead and align this. And now we're gonna just put the happy birthday at the top. For this, I like to use the little foam squares because the letters are very thin. They're much thinner than the other foam squares that I have. And there we go. It's a simple cake topper, but it looks very pretty, especially when it's shining under the light. So now you have to do is add the cake stick and you're done. So to add the cake stick, you can, since we left the room, you can put it directly inside. You can use hot glue or any stronger glue to hold all of this together. If you have any questions, join us on Facebook on